the Senate President loves to talk and to play both sides of the equation. Kasi he originally scheduled it for June 2nd, hindi po ba? Na in fact dumating na yung Senate doon sa yung House doon sa Senate, and they were ready to read the articles of impeachment at the time. Pinospone niya. Right? Anong reason niya? Kasi daw yung time ay kailangan para tapusin yung legislative work of the Senate. But maliwanag naman na he called in the House kasi ang sabi niya, oh, you will just follow the US proceedings na ang babasa ay yung prosecutor. I don't know why he shifted to that, because we have had previous impeachments where that was not the case. We did not follow the procedure of the US Senate. Marami siyang ganun eh. Mga pinapasok niya yung mga things that are not really material, but it enables him and certain senators to stretch, to postpone certain actions that should be taken by the Senate. It's very disappointing.